Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Cadillac Escalade ESV Luxury. This one's black. Under the hood is a 6.2 V8 pushing out 420 horsepower. For wheels, we've got 22-inch wheels. Tires are in good condition. Running boards. Nice brown leather interior. Sunroof. Rear seat entertainment for second and third row. Coming around back, got our Escalade badging, power lift gate, set of clean floor mats, fold down third row seating, coming around back, you've got rear seat climate controls, keyless entry, blind spot assist, power windows, memory seats, Bose sound system. Hopping in, we've got a heads-up display, push start ignition, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, navigation, rear surround view backup camera, dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats, cup holders, a wireless charging port. This Cadillac has 62,732 miles, Carfax and service records available. If you'd like to view more photos of this Escalade, check out feldmannimports.com.